Ciao Tesla people, I just got a notification that there is a software update. I already did the download and let's go to check it out. Which one is it's the 2024.45.32. In the release notes it says only minor fixes and improvements, okay, the usual. So I'm going to do the installation, check it out if there are any major changes. Sometimes there are, even if they say minor fixes. And then in the coming days, I will check it out if there are some undocumented changes. And I will check even later today on Twitter to see if there are any changes, okay? So let's do the installation. I actually wanted to warm up the car because it's freaking cold here. It didn't snow, but around here it snowed a lot. It did 1.5 meters of snow. So, okay, so let's go to the software update. Let's start, install it now, and then we'll skip it here and we'll go directly to do the installation. Okay, so the installation started. It will take maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes because it's minor bug fixes. We'll see. What time is it? It's 3:50, so we'll see how long it takes. In the meantime, I'll do a time lapse, and I'll see you back in when everything's installed. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. So installation is done. Minor bug fixes. Again, 2024.45.32. I don't see any blue dots here on the main menu. Let's check it out here. No blue dots here. Let's go to software. Everything 2024. Let's see if let me check if FSD has changed to 13. Let me see all the way down here. Let's start it up. Yeah, okay, release. No, it says the software is still version 12. So they didn't update the software is still version 12. So FSD is version 12, is the one that has code and not connected to the neural network. It's not the 13, the latest one, unfortunately. Anyway, I cannot use it because FSD is not available in the EU. Okay, so everything went well. In the coming days, I will check out if there are any undocumented changes. I will make a video. Unfortunately, there is not much light anymore. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.